Hey guys, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I am sharing tips on how to get your powder room guest ready. So I will be touring the powder room and a few more rooms in my home that you haven't seen. But I'm most excited about the basement family room because I use the color red. So I hope you guys enjoy the tour and I will see you at the next video. And Merry Christmas, everyone. Okay, so you do want to start with a clean bathroom. Your guests will thank you for that. Now, you guys know I love a decorated bathroom, but you don't need a decorated bathroom to greet your guest. You just need it clean with a few important things. Now, you always want to have soap and hand towels and definitely extra toilet paper. And that's all you really need for your powder room. But we're going to go a little step further and I'm going to decorate it for the holiday. So let's go ahead and put the room together and put in a few special touches for your guests. So if you just want to do the bare minimum, soap and some hand towels will do just fine. And of course, extra toilet paper. Now for me, I like to be sure that not only is there soap in the room, but there is a little fragrance and some hand towels. I also like to see a little greenery. I think it just brings in a little life and warmth into the space. I like to bring in some sort of artwork. Also like bringing in a little greenery over the light fixture. It just brings in that added texture and warmth into your powder room. Okay, so these next items that I'm going to place in the bathroom are just for decorative purposes. If this is something that you'd like to omit, by all means do, but if you like the idea, go ahead and use it.
feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer.
He's looking for a place to put his dad's first ornament right here on the tree.
For the season that's mine, so let it come. Yeah, let it come. I can see the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.
All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the tour as well as the full house tour. And if you did not see that tour, I will link it in the iCards above as well as in the description box below. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a very merry and safe Christmas, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.